So students, we have taken in the last period, that is the multiplication of matrices. In this lecture we are going to more problems on that multiplication of matrices. लास्ट लेक्चर मध्ये आपण मल्टिप्लिकेशन ऑफ मॅट्रिसेसचे काही प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व केले होते एक्झाम्पल्स मध्ये. हाऊ टू मल्टिप्लाय 2x2 मॅट्रिक्स, हाऊ टू मल्टिप्लाय 2x3 मॅट्रिक्स, हाऊ टू मल्टिप्लाय 3x1 मॅट्रिक्स अँड सो ऑन. नाउ टुडे we will solve the problem, more problems on that multiplication. Let us start with the first one. Before starting the problem, let me clear that those who have solved, those who have watched the video, and those who have try to solve the problems on multiplication of matrices, they will get very easy to solve the problems on multiplication of matrices. ज्या लोकांनी अजिबात ट्राय केलेलं नाही, नुसता बघायचा म्हणून 2 मिनिटासाठी व्हिडिओ बघितलाय, त्यांना मल्टिप्लिकेशन ऑफ मॅट्रिसेस हे डेफिनेटली टफ जाणार आहे. सो वी स्टार्ट विथ द प्रॉब्लेम. द प्रॉब्लेम इज इफ A is equals to matrix of 2 1 0 minus 1 3 2 B equals to matrix of 1 3 3 0 0 1 and C equals to matrix of 1 2 3 minus 1. Find, our question is you have to find AB into C. AB into C. Now the matrix given, A is 2 1 0 minus 1 3 2, B is 1 3 3 0 and 0 1. C is 1 2 and 3 minus 1. We have to find the product AB into C. That means first we have to find out A into B, and then after getting A into B we have to multiply it by with the matrix C. Directly तीनों multiplication आप find out नहीं कर सकते हो. We can multiply only 2 matrices at a time. So first we have to find the product A into B. Now the order of A is 2 by 3. There are 2 rows and 3 columns. Order of A is 2 by 3. The order of B is 3 by 2. 3 rows and 2 columns. Since the number of columns of A and the number of rows of A are equal, number of columns of A and the number of rows of B are equal, therefore we can find out the product of A into B. So let us start to find out the product AB. सबसे पहले आपको AB find out करना है. I repeat again, A के number of columns है 3, B के number of rows है 3, 3 and 3 are equal, so we can find out A into B. Now A into B is equals to, I put here 2 1 0 minus 1 3 2 into the matrix B 1 3 3 0 and 0 1 is equals to. Now our basic idea is the row of first matrix gets multiplied with the column of the second matrix. That means first row and first column. First you have to multiply this row with this column. I make here. So 2 into 1, 2 into 1, that is 2, plus 1 into 3, that is 3, plus 0 into 0, 0 into 0, that is 0. I repeat again, 2 into 1, that is 2, 1 into 3 that is 3 plus 0 into 0 that is equals to 0. So this is the first row and first column. Now the first row and second column. First row and second column, this one. कितना आएगा? 2 into 3 that is 6. 1 into 0 that is plus 0. 0 into 1 that is plus 1. 0 into 1 that is equals to 0. So here the first row and the multiplication of first row with the first column this much, multiplication of first row with the second column is this much. 2 into 3 is 6, 1 into 0 is 0, 0 into 1 that is 0. Now the multiplication of second row. Second row is this one. This row we have to multiply with the, again the first column. Minus 1 into 1 that is minus 1. 3 into 3 that is plus 9. 2 into 0 that is plus 0. I repeat again. Minus 1 into 1 minus 1. 3 into 3 9. 2 into 0 0. Then first row and second column, this one, this column. Minus 1 into 3 minus 3. 3 into 0 plus 0. 2 into 1 that is plus 2. So we will get this equals to 2 plus 3 that is 5. 6 plus 0 plus 0 that is 6. Minus 1 plus 9 that is equals to 8. Minus 3 plus 2 that is minus 1. So this is the matrix A into B. This is the matrix A into B whose order is ये 3 और 3 निकल गया, that means remaining 2 by 2, so its order is 2 by 2. Now we have got the matrix AB 5 6 and 8 minus 1. Then we have to find out the product AB into C. So I write here AB in bracket into matrix C. Now AB we have got. AB का value हम लोगों को मिला है. What is AB? 5, 6 and 8 minus 1. So I write here this is matrix 5, 6, 8 minus 1 into C. C is there. C is 1, 2, 3 minus 1. Now multiply it again. It is equals to matrix of, now again first row, this row and this column. First row and first column. 5 into 1 that is equals to 5. 6 into 3 that is plus 18. Then first row, second column. First row, first column हो गया अभी. First row, second column. What are the elements of corresponding elements of first row? 5 into 2 that is 10. 6 into minus 1 that is minus 6. This is the roll of first row. First row का multiplication ये हो गया R1 C1. This position is R1 C2. Now second row means this one. This row into again first column, that means this one. 8 into 1 that is 8. Minus 1 into 3 that is minus 3. I repeat again, see here. 8 into 1 8. Minus 1 into 3 that is minus 3. Then first row, second column, second row, second column, that means this much. 8 into 2 that is 16. Minus 1 into minus 1, minus of minus plus, so that will be plus 1. I repeat again, 8 into 2 16, minus 1 into minus 1 that is plus 1. So this is equals to, finally you get 5 plus 8 10 that is 23. 10 minus 6 which is equals to 4. 8 minus 3 that is 5, and 16 plus 1 that is 17. That is the required matrix A, B into C. I repeat again. First you have to find out the AB, और AB को find out करने के बाद में you have to multiply it with C, so you will get the product AB into C, that is equals to 23, 4 and 5 and 17. Now let us solve this second problem. इस video lecture का second problem, or we can say that today's second problem. Now second problem for today is, if A is equals to matrix of 2 minus 3 1 5, A equals to matrix of 2 minus 3 1 5, B equals to matrix of 3 minus 1 2 1 0 1. Verify AB transpose is equals to B transpose into A transpose. Verify AB transpose equals to B transpose into A transpose. See here, इस टाइप का अगर प्रॉब्लम आपको एग्जाम में पूछा गया है, then it will be for 4 marks, because you have to find out a lot of matrices. First, AB transpose equals to B transpose into A transpose. That means first you have to find out the product of A into B. सबसे पहले आपको क्या find out करना है? A into B. Then you have to find out the transpose of A into B. Then third thing is you have to find out the transpose of B. Fourth thing is you have to find out the transpose of A. And finally, you have to find out the product of transpose of B into transpose of A. I repeat again. Equation छोटा सा दिखता है आपको, जो वेरीफाई करना है, that means you have to verify whether the left hand side is equals to right hand side. Equation is, you are saying that the equation is very small, but the steps are, सबसे पहले you have to find out AB. First find out AB, then AB transpose. This is our first step. Second step is find out AB transpose. Then third one is B transpose. Fourth one is A transpose. जिन लोगों को प्रैक्टिस हुआ है वो डायरेक्टली B ट्रांसपोज into A ट्रांसपोज भी निकाल सकते हैं. And the fifth one is you have to find out B transpose into A transpose. That means in all there are 5 steps. First AB, transpose of AB, transpose of B, transpose of A, transpose of B into transpose of A. So let us start one by one. As I said, first you have to find out A into B. Now is it possible to find out A into B? Here it is 2 by 2. Order of A is 2 by 2 and this one is 2 by 3. 2 by 2 and the order of B is equals to 2 by 3. So now the number of columns of A are equals to number of rows of B. So we can find out the matrix A into B. So A into B is equals to 2 minus 3 1 5 into B. B is 3 minus 1 2 1 0 1 is equals to, ये 2 और 2 आपका निकल गया है. What is remaining? 2 by 3. That means the resultant matrix is 2 by 3. Rather than here, I read on that multiplication here. यानी ज़्यादा स्पेस मिलेगा तो आपको जल्दी समझ में आएगा. Now first row into first column. I am saying first row into first column. इस प्रॉब्लम में मैं मार्क करता हूँ आपको this row and this column. So 2 into 3 6. minus 3 into 1, minus 3. I repeat again, 2 into 3 is 6, minus 3 into 1, that is minus 3. Then first row, second column, this one, 2 into minus 1, that is minus 2. Minus 3 into 0, that is plus 0, or you may write minus 0. Plus minus 0, उसका meaning एक ही हुआ, तो you may put plus or minus. 2 into minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 into 0, that is 0. उसके बाद में first and third, that means this one. First row and this column. 2 into 2, that is 4. Minus 3 into 1, that is minus 3. This is the combination of first row. This element is first row, first column. This one is first row, second column. And this one is first row, third column. अभी first row का काम आपका खत्म हो गया. The role of first row is finished. Now the role of second row starts. Second row, that means this one. This one into this one. Again. Second row, first column. 1 into 3, 3. 1 into 3, 3. 5 into 1, that is plus 5. Second row, second column. 1 into minus 1. 1 into minus 1, that is minus 1. 5 into 0, that is 0. आपको समझने के लिए मैंने हर स्टेप में ब्रैकेट करके लिखा है. दैट मीन्स दिस द मल्टीप्लिकेशन इज दिस रो इनटू दिस कॉलम. देन सेकेंड रो, थर्ड कॉलम. 1 into 2, that is 2. And 5 into 1 plus 5. For each step, I have marked the row and column with the mark, with the arrow. So this is the completion of multiplication. Let us see what is the resultant matrix is equals to 6 minus 3, that is 3. Minus 2 plus 0, that is minus 2. 4 minus 3 is 1. 3 plus 5, that is 8. Minus 1 plus 0 is equals to minus 1. And 2 plus 5 is equals to 7. So the value of AB equals to 3 minus 2, 1, 8 minus 1 and 7. But our requirement is transpose of AB. So transpose of AB is equals to, हम लोग को प्रूव क्या करना है? ट्रांसपोज ऑफ AB equals to B, not prove, we have to verify that transpose of AB equals to B transpose into A transpose. Now transpose of AB, how you get the transpose? अगर आप लोगों ने definitions याद रखा होगा तो transpose जल्दी समझ में आएगा. Transpose of AB, that means you have to convert the row into column. So this first row you have to write down as the first column, 3 minus 2, 1. Second row we have to write down the second column, that is 8 minus 1 and 7. Let us see, this is equation number 1. You have got transpose of AB equals to 3, 8 minus 2, 1 minus 1 and 1, 7. Now find out the transpose of B. Our right hand side is you have to find out transpose of B. मैं यहाँ पे किसको कॉर्नर में लिख के रखता हूँ, यानी आपको वेरीफाई करने के लिए ज़्यादा अच्छा रहेगा. ट्रांसपोज ऑफ ए बी वी हैव गॉट 3, 8 minus 2 minus 1 and 1, 7. That is our equation number 1. That means the LHS. Then transpose of B. Transpose of B is means ये B है, इसका ट्रांसपोज आपको फाइंड आउट करना है. सो अगेन द फर्स्ट रो विल बिकम फर्स्ट कॉलम, 3 minus 1, 2. Then transpose of 3 minus 1, 2, and this will be 1, 0, 1. And transpose of A. Transpose of A equals to, the first row will become first column, 2 minus 3. Second row will become second column, that is 1 and 5. Now the order of this is इसका ऑर्डर कितना है 3/2, 3 rows and 2 columns. This is 2/2. So this 2 is equals to this 2. That means we can find out transpose of B into transpose of A. So let us find out transpose B into transpose A is equals to, I write down the matrices again, 3 1 minus 1 0 2 1. अब ये भी हम लोगों ने फाइंड आउट किया है. The second matrix I put again here, 2 1 minus 3 and 5. This is minus 3 and 5 is equals to. Now again the first row, that means this row into this column, 3 into 2 6, 3 into 2 6, 1 into minus 3, that is minus 3. Then comes first row second column, that means this one, 3 into 1, that is 3, 1 into 5, that is plus 5. See here, first row first column, 3 into 2 6, 1 into minus 3, that is minus 3. First row second column, 3 into 1, that is 3, 1 into 5, that is plus 5. ये हो गया आपका फर्स्ट रो फर्स्ट कॉलम का. देन सेकेंड रो एंड सेकेंड कॉलम, दैट मीन्स दिस रो एंड फर्स्ट कॉलम, -1 into 2, -1 into 2, that is -2, 0 into -3, that is -0, or you may put +0. Then second row second column, that means this column, -1 into 1, that is -1, 0 into 5, that means +0. So ये हो गया आपका सेकंड रो का भी काम. नाउ द थर्ड रो. सी हियर, थर्ड रो क्या है आपका, दिस रो into फर्स्ट कॉलम, दैट मीन्स दिस वन, 2 into 2, that is 4, 2 into 2 is equals to 4, 1 into -3, that is -3. Then first row second column, ये हो गया आपका फर्स्ट रो कॉलम का, सॉरी नॉट फर्स्ट रो, थर्ड रो फर्स्ट कॉलम हो गया. देन थर्ड रो सेकेंड कॉलम, 2 into 1, that is equals to 2, and 1 into 5, that is plus 5. So you get B transpose into A transpose is equals to 6 minus 3, that is 3, 3 plus 5 equals to 8, -2 minus 0 is -2, -1 plus 0 is -1, 4 minus 3 is 1, and 2 plus 5 is 7. So let us say this is your equation number 2. Equation 1 आपके सामने बोर्ड पे लिख के रखा है हम लोगों ने. What is our equation 1? Transpose of AB we have got 3 8 minus 2 minus 1, 3 8 minus 2 minus 1, 1 7 1 7. So from equation 1 and 2, here we can write from equation 1 and 2, we can say that AB transpose is equals to B transpose into A transpose. So that is the multiplication of AB, then the transpose of AB, then transpose of B, then transpose of A, and finally the multiplication of transpose of B into transpose of A. The problem looks like a lengthy one, but if they ask in the exam, it will be for 4 marks. अगर 2 मार्क का प्रॉब्लम है तो सिर्फ आपको फर्स्ट पार्ट आएगा, सिर्फ ये इतना आएगा, फाइंड आउट ए बी एंड देन ट्रांसपोज. 4 मार्क का प्रॉब्लम है, देन you have to verify whether AB transpose equals to B transpose and A transpose. Sometime they are same, sometime they may not be same. They may be equal or they may not be equal. So that was the second problem for today. Now the next one. वीडियो वॉच करने के बाद में आप खुद सॉल्व करके देखो उसको, जहाँ पे भी प्रॉब्लम आता है वहाँ पे वीडियो सॉल्व करो, पॉज करो वीडियो और सॉल्व करो। कुछ प्रॉब्लम आए तो फिर से वीडियो ऑन करो, अब देखो क्या आपको आंसर मिलता है और आपका आंसर वेरीफाई करो। दी नेक्स्ट वन इज इफ A is equals to matrix of -2 0 3 1 2 3, B equals to matrix of 0 1 2 3 1 1. Question is, show that AB is non-singular matrix. AB is non-singular matrix. जैसे कि मैंने आपको पहले ही दिन बताया था कि अगर आपका डेफिनेशंस और टाइप्स ऑफ मैट्रिसेस अच्छे से याद है तो आपको एग्जैक्टली क्या करना है, क्या शो करना है, वॉट एवर यू हैव टू शो एग्जैक्टली दैट यू नोज. नाउ हियर वी हैव टू शो दैट AB is non-singular matrix. Now AB is non-singular matrix, that means again there are two steps. The first step is we have to find out AB, and the second one is we have to find out determinant of AB. सबसे पहले आपको प्रोडक्ट AB फाइंड आउट करना है एंड देन यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ AB. व्हाई डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ AB? बिकॉज वंस यू गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ AB, अगर डिटरमिनेंट ऑफ AB का वैल्यू आप लोगों ने फाइंड आउट किया तो वहां से आपको पता चलेगा कि वेदर इट इज सिंगुलर और नॉन सिंगुलर. नाउ व्हाट इज सिंगुलर एंड नॉन सिंगुलर? If determinant of AB is equals to 0, if determinant of AB equals to 0, then that is singular. If it is not equals to 0, then that is non-singular. So there are two steps. पहले आपका AB फाइंड आउट करना है, उसके बाद में determinant of AB फाइंड आउट करना है और ये देखना है हम लोगों को whether it is 0 और non-zero. अब यहाँ पे आपको प्रूव करना है. You have to show that AB is non-singular. That means it will not be equals to 0. 0 नहीं आएगा आपका. So sometime they ask verify that AB is singular or non-singular. At that time, sometime it may be 0, sometime it may not be 0. Now let us start to find out AB. A into B is equals to here -2 0 3 1 2 3. B is 0 1 2 3 1 1. So is equals to matrix of, so here this order is 2 by 3, this order is 3 by 2. Number of columns of A are equals to number of rows of B. That means product AB is possible and the resultant matrix will be 2 by 2. यानी ये जो मैट्रिक्स आपको मिलने वाला है ये आपको मिलेगा 2 by 2. Let us see. Let us find out it. Now the multiplication, first row into first column. I am saying first row into first column. -2 into 0, that is 0. Plus 0 into 2, that is again 0. Plus 3 into 1, that is 3. This is our first element. -2 into 0, 0. 0 into 2, 0. 3 into 1, 3. This is our first element. That means multiplication of first row into first column. Then multiplication of first row into second column. -2 into 1, that is -2. -2 into 1 is equals to -2. 0 into 3, that is 0. 3 into 1, that is 3. I am saying that first row, first column is this one. First row, second column is this one. Check karo. -2 into 0, 0. 0 into 2 is 0. 3 into 1, that is 3. Second row, second column में -2 into 1 is -2. 0 into 3 is 0. 3 into 1 is 3. So that is the multiplication of first row with first column and second column. Now the multiplication of second row means this one into first column. So 1 into 0, 1 into 0, that is 0. into 2, that is plus 4. 3 into 1, that is plus 3. See here. 1 into 0, 0. 2 into 2, 4. 3 into 1, 3. So first row, first column. Then comes first row, second column. 1 into 1, 1. 2 into 3, 6. 3 into 1 plus 3. So this is the multiplication of second row with first column and second column. See, देखो कितना आता है फाइनल. फाइनल गेट AB is equals to matrix of 0 plus 0 plus 3, that means 3, minus 2 plus 3, that is 1, 0 plus 4 plus 3, that is 7, 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 3, that is equals to 10. So you get matrix of 3, 1, 7 and 10. अभी second step अभी है आपका, you have to find out determinant of AB. Determinant of AB. So determinant of AB is equals to determinant of 3, 1, 7, 10, which is equals to 3 into 10, that is 30, minus 3 into 10 is 30, minus 7 into 1, that is 7. So 30 minus 7, that is equals to 23, and 23 is not equals to 0. 23 is not equals to 0. 30 minus 7, 3 into 10, 30, 7 into 1, 7, 30 minus 7 is 23, which is not equals to 0. अगर आपका determinant of AB is not equals to 0, that means the matrix is non-singular. Hence, the matrix is non-singular. So in this way, you can verify whether the matrix is singular or non-singular by finding the product and then finding the determinant of that matrix. Then next problem for today, and which is the most important problem. The problem is if A is equals to 2, 4, 4, 4, 2, 4, 4, 4, 2, show that A square minus 8A is a scalar matrix. You have to find out A square minus 8A is a scalar matrix. Important problem है, बहुत बार पूछा गया है एग्जाम में for 4 marks. 4 मार्क के लिए पूरा प्रॉब्लम है, थोड़ा बहुत लेंदी है लेकिन बट इट्स सिंपल. नाउ A square matrices में A square here in real number we can write, suppose you have to find out 2, we write 2 square that is equals to 4. अब matrices में A square यानी इसका स्क्वायर नहीं होता है, इसका स्क्वायर डायरेक्टली अगर सपोज देयर इज 2, 3, 4, 5, देन दिस इज नॉट इक्वल्स टू 2 स्क्वायर मींस 4, 3 स्क्वायर मींस 9, 4 स्क्वायर मींस 16 और 5 स्क्वायर मींस 25. मैट्रिसेस में डायरेक्टली स्क्वायर ऐसा कभी नहीं होगा. अगर मैट्रिसेस में स्क्वायर निकालना है देन यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट दिस मैट्रिक्स इनटू अगेन दिस मैट्रिक्स. दोनों मैट्रिक्स को मल्टीप्लिकेशन जैसा ए स्क्वायर निकालना है आपको मैट्रिक्स में, देन यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट ए इनटू ए. डायरेक्टली ये मैट्रिसेस के एलिमेंट्स के स्क्वायर नहीं होते हैं. अगर आपने इफ यू फाइंड आउट डायरेक्टली स्क्वायर देन यू विल गेट डायरेक्टली जीरो. दैट इज कंप्लीटली रॉन्ग. व्हेनेवर देयर इज द क्वेश्चन इज टू फाइंड आउट ए स्क्वायर, you have to always find out the product of a into a. So see here, Then steps are, first you have to find out a square. सबसे पहले आपको क्या फाइंड आउट करना है इस प्रॉब्लम में? फर्स्ट स्टेप इज यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट a square, that is equals to a into a. Then second step is you have to find out this value, a square minus 8 into a. And third one is you have to show that it is a scalar matrix. Now what is scalar matrix? We have seen in the types of the matrices. Scalar matrix, that means a diagonal matrix having all diagonal elements as a same elements. That means having all same diagonal elements, that is a scalar matrix. बाकी ये diagonal matrix है, ये एलिमेंट जो है आपके सेम रहेंगे. It will be 0 0 0 0 0 and 0. That is this is nothing but a scalar matrix. This element, and this element, all these three elements are same. They may be positive, they may be negative, but they must be a same. They must have a same number. So these three steps you have to follow. सबसे पहले a square, then a square minus 8a, और उसके बाद में ये जो आपको a square minus a का मैट्रिक्स मिलेगा, that matrix should be in this form, so it will be a scalar matrix. So let us start with a square. Now a square is equals to a into a. I put here, that is equals to 2 4 4 4 2 4 4 4 and 2. A into A. So the value of A is this matrix. Again into the same matrix, that is 2 4 4 4 2 4 and then 4 4 2 is equals to matrix of, say, first row into first column. The lot of elements are same, so multiply it very carefully. First row, I am saying first row into first column, 2 into 2, or rather than I put here. आपको समझने के लिए मैं हर यहाँ पे फिर से, this is first row into first column, 2 into 2 4 plus 4 into 4 16 plus 4 into 4 16. So this is first row, first column. Then comes first row, second column, 2 into 4, that is 8 plus 4 into 2, again 8 plus 4 into 4 16, 2 into 4 8, 4 into 2 8, 4 into 4 16. Then first row, third column, that means this one, 2 into 4 8, 4 into 4 16, 4 into 2, that is 8. ये हो गया आपका multiplication of first row with all three columns. Then comes the second row, this one, second row and first column, 4 into 2 8, 2 into 4 plus 8, 4 into 4 plus 16. This is second row, first column. Then comes second row, second column, means this one, 4 into 4 16, 2 into 2 plus 4, 4 into 4 plus 16. ये हो गया आपका second row, second column. Then second row, third column, means this one, 4 into 4 16, 2 into 4 plus 8, 4 into 2 plus 8. So that is the completion of multiplication of second row with first column, second column and third column. Then third row, 4 into 2, that is 8, third row, first column, and this one, 4 into 2, 8, plus 4 into 4, 16, plus 2 into 4, 8, 4 2s are 8, 4 4s are 16, 2 4s are 8. Then third row, second column, 4 into 4, 16, 4 into 2 plus 8, 2 into 4 plus 8, this is 8. Then the last one, that is third row, third column, 4 into 4, 16, 4 into 4, 16, 2 into 2, that is plus 4. So let us find that complete matrix is equals to, that means the value of a square we have got is equals to, that is 16 plus 16, 32, 32 plus 4, that is 36, 8 plus 8, 16, 16 plus 16, that is 32, 8 plus 8, 16, 16 plus 16, that is again 32, 8 plus 8, 16, 16 plus 16, that is again 32, 16 plus 16, 32, 32 plus 4, 36, 16 plus 8, 24, 24 plus 4, 8, that is 32, 8 plus 8, 16, 16 plus 16 is 32, 8 plus 8, 16, 16 plus 16, 32, 16 plus 16, 32, 32 plus 4, 36. So that is the value of a square, which is equals to 36, 32, 32, 32, 36, 32, 32, 32, 36. Then we have to find out a square minus 8a. So let us find out that a square minus 8a. So a square, that is, this is our second step, a square minus 8a. The value of a square we have got 36, 32, 32, 32, 36, 32, 32, 32 and 36. ये a square हमको मिला है, minus 8 into a, minus 8 into a. The value of a is given, matrix a is given, that is 2, 4, 4, 4, 2, 4, 4, 4, 2. Is equals to 36, 32, 32, 32, 36, 32. This matrix as it is, 32, 32, 36, minus taking 8 inside of this matrix, 8 into 2, 16, 8 into 4, 32, 8 into 4, 32, 8 into 4, 32, 8 into 2, 16, 8 into 4, 32, then again 8 4s are 32, 8 4s are 32, 8 2s are 16, is equals to matrix of, now subtraction of two matrices. So subtract the corresponding elements. We get 36 minus 16, 36 minus 16, then 32 minus 32, 32 minus 32, then again in the second row, 32 minus 32, 36 minus 16, so 36 minus 16, 32 minus 32, then third row, 32 minus 32, 32 minus 32, and the last element 36 minus 16, 36 minus 16, which is equals to matrix of 36 minus 16 is 20, 32 minus 32 0, 32 minus 32 0, 32 minus 32 that is 0, 36 minus 16 is 20, 32 minus 32 which is equals to 0. Again this element is 0, this element is also equals to 0, this element is 20. See here, all the diagonal elements that is 20 are 20, 20, 20 which are same is a scalar matrix. So we have got a square minus 8a, that is a scalar matrix, and that's enough for today. In the next lecture we will take the adjoint and inverse of a matrix, जिसके ऊपर adjoint के ऊपर या inverse के ऊपर एक 4 मार्क का प्रॉब्लम रहता है and linear equations के ऊपर 6 मार्क का प्रॉब्लम रहता है. That means out of 18, 10 मार्क्स का टॉपिक भी बाकी है. So we will continue it in the next lecture. Thank you.